Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun at a distance of 141.6 million miles, it is one of 8 planetary objects in our solar system. It takes Mars 687 days to complete a full solar orbit and about 24 hours to complete a rotational spin on its axis. It is orbited by 2 natural satellites, Phobos and Deimos. Mars is only slightly larger than half the Earth's diameter at 4,212 miles and has an atmosphere consisting of mostly carbon dioxide, argon, nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon monoxide. Its reddish appearance comes from the prevalence of iron oxide on the surface, along with magnesium, sodium, potassium, and chlorine. Mars has 2 water-based polar ice caps. Active weather events, including dust storms, and temperatures that range from minus 225 degrees Fahrenheit at the polar caps to 95 degrees Fahrenheit on its equator. Although it has water ice caps, liquid water cannot exist on Mars' surface due to the planet's low atmospheric pressure. Landforms visible on its surface suggest that Mars may have had lakes and oceans of liquid water. Presently, humanity has not yet discovered evidence of native life on Mars. Mars is split into 3 geological periods: the Noachian period during its formation, the Hesperian period during the formation of lava plains, and the Amazonian period during the formation of Olympus Mons. Formed approximately 4.6 billion years ago, humans have been recording observations of Mars since the first human civilizations in 3000 BCE, including the ancient Sumerians, Egyptians, and Greeks. The ancient Greeks named it after their god of war, Eris, and the Romans renamed their god of war to Mars. 20th century pop culture saw the rise of Martians as little green men, and the USSR sent the first artificial object to Mars, which failed during a surface crash in 1971. Since then, Mars is orbited by 14 known artificial satellites, including 6 active satellites launched by USA, India, and Russia. Humans have also landed 14 artificial objects on the surface of Mars, including the only 2 currently active robotic rovers, NASA's 2004 Opportunity and NASA's 2012 Curiosity. Future explorations of Mars include NASA's May 2018 launching of the lander InSight ExoMars by the European Space Agency and SpaceX's first human mission to Mars by 2024. As technology continues to advance, it is possible that humans will one day colonize Mars. To do so, humans will have to overcome the challenges of extreme colds, an unbreathable carbon dioxide dominant atmosphere, and in the distant future, a possible collapse of its moon Phobos, currently being pulled by Mars's gravity at 2 meters per year. During a May 2016 trip to Cherry Springs State Park, my family's astronomy team captured images of Mars from our telescope at a distance of 47.4 million miles from Earth, along with images of Saturn and a blue moon. Mars, Earth's second nearest planetary neighbor. While humanity has discovered and recorded a wealth of information about Mars, the future promises to offer deeper understandings of this intriguing planet and possibly one day colonization.